Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Band 2. Obviously a sports fitness band. Had a look at it in the shop and it actually feels quite good. So let's get this unboxed and see what we think of it. Okay, let's unwrap this. So again, nice solid boxes from Xiaomi. It's obviously the face of the band. Oh, okay. I didn't realise they come as a separate thing. So the actual silicone band there. This will be user instructions. And they're in English. Excellent. Right. There's obviously a charging cable in here. Oh, I see. So obviously just plugs in like that to charge it up. And just whack it into the silicone band when you're going to use it. So it actually clicks in quite well. Solid. It's not going to fall out. It's got a nice band on it. The band with a bit of a push clicks in. That's not going to come apart. Definitely not. So I don't know if it's got any charge, but I may have to charge it up. So let me see if I can put this some charge in this and I'll come back to you. Right, I charged it up and I've been using it for coming on about 3 weeks now. It's quite a simple piece of kit really. It's not your fancy get all your notifications and everything like that on it. It's basically on the display itself. You obviously get your time, you get your steps, and it'll do your heart rate as well, which obviously I haven't got it on at the moment. As you can see, it's got your you do have it on, it'll shine up with a green light on the back. I charged it up only the once, and at the moment I think it's still got about 40%, and this is after about 2.5 weeks, something like that. Fitment wise, it's a bit of a fiddle as I'm doing it from behind the camera. Hang on a minute, let me put it on properly. It's a bit difficult to try and do that from there. So I've got quite a sizable wrist on me, so as you can see you've got a different selection of holes there. It doesn't come off. A couple of times I've managed to catch it when I'm doing stuff, but so as you can see, got your steps and it'll calculate your heart rate and you'll get a haptic feedback when it's there we go, when it tells you, gives you a result. So that's basically all that particular thing does. Now this is, I mean, I've got obviously smartphones, so I don't need anything else that gives me notifications. So this has been quite a good little device for me, this one. However, on the app you do get more information. So let me scroll, find it, the Mi app. Here we go. So as you can see, as it's gradually syncs up. One of the best things I like about this is it tracks your sleep patterns. If I click on that, I had quite a good night's sleep last night after a few beers, but it calculates all your deep sleep, your light sleep, and if you happen to wake up during the night, which quite often I do, but it also shows you in there as well. So it gives the actual app gives you a lot more information. Obviously it gives you heart rate. I don't weigh that, but I just put something in. Your everyday goals. So it's not a bad little app that keeps you informed. So obviously you get all your steps and how many meters I've got it set up for, how many calories you've burned so far. 25 calories, I would have thought more than that, but you always think you're going to burn more calories than you do. The actual fitment, I have it fit quite loose and it still works really nicely. To be honest with you, I forget it's even there. It feels really comfortable. It doesn't restrict anything. It's actually it's quite a good quality thing for not a great price either. So you'll have to check out Xiaomi's website. I'll see if I can throw a link in the description. I can't remember the price of it. It's something like about £25 or something. It's quite cheap and it just goes on for ages. As I say, if I on the Xiaomi app, if I think if I click on that, so it tells me how many steps. Just looking to see, I know it tells you the battery percentage. Pop on profile, Mi Band 2, so there we go, 39%. You can obviously set your goals, your activity goals. There's quite a lot you can do with it really. So that's basically it. So you do have the Mi Band 3, which obviously gives you more information, but if all you're after, it's just your basic information and that. This is actually quite not a bad little unit. It's not a bad little device. So that's it for this video. I've got more coming, so look out for those, including the ones for my Xiaomi headsets, the earphones. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.